What's going on, guys? This is Dario with 5.2 liter. In today's video, we will be reviewing the Ghost Mount. That is a mount that attaches to the back of your vehicle. You can attach a 360 camera like a GoPro or an Insta360 whatsoever, but you can attach that camera on the back of your car. You get those GTA-like third-person shots of the car. I think it's really, really fun. A lot of people use them for, like road racing or for drag racing. I don't do neither, so I really don't care, but I think it's really, really cool to capture content and really cool videos in a third person kind of shot with this mount. And if you follow my channels on Instagram, YouTube, wherever, I've been uploading these kind of shots, but I have had a pretty cheap mount in the past, and I really, really didn't like that solution because my camera would start wobbling around. I would get a lot of vibration and it just never felt safe. And if you have a camera that's worth around $500, $600 on the back of your car, first of all, you don't want to scratch your car when that mount falls. And second of all, you don't want that camera to hit the ground because that is going to be very expensive, especially if you go faster. So long story short, these mounts are not cheap. I think I paid $450 for mine. I'll show you which one I have specifically, but they are kind enough that, well, I paid for this one, but I got you guys a discount code, so you get $50 off if you use my code. I would really appreciate that. Obviously, that helps the channel, but without further ado, let's go to the unpacking of these. All right, and let's see what's in here. We have the mounting arm, and then I'm assuming we have a couple more arms right here to give it more stability. But I can't stress enough, this is a really, really high quality product. From what I have heard so far, these are all handmade in the US. It's a really small company based in Illinois. If you guys want to support a local company, get a really, really high quality product, I think this is the best bet. And also, you don't want to cheap out on these because otherwise you will have to buy 2 cameras, and I'm sure that's more expensive than getting 1 camera and a good mount. So, but that's just my opinion. However, I am too stupid to open this. So let me get a knife real quick, and we're back with a knife. What you can see here, those are 2 extendable arms. These will go, basically give the main bar support from both sides. And since they're extendable, you can adjust also the main arm. So that should be quite nice. Nearly dropped this. There's a washer, a metal washer. And then we have the main arm here. And one really important thing, as I mentioned, this is a really small business, so you can't expect them to deliver like Amazon. You're not going to get this tomorrow if you order it today. You're gonna have to wait 2 to 3 weeks. They're built to order. They don't have any stock of these, so you will have to wait. Unfortunately, I did too. But yeah, I mean, looking at this, it really, really looks amazing. If I compare this to the mount that I had before, this is real quality. I don't know how well you can tell, but you see that carbon fiber really looks amazing. And you get these really, really nice mounts right here on which you can pump the air out. But without further ado, let's try to put this on the car, and hopefully I'm not doing anything wrong. You guys let me know if I do anything wrong, but let's go over there. All right, and we're going to start with the main bar right here. I will take this off and then try to place this where it is somewhat straight, and going to start pushing down on this and pump the air out. And damn, that that is seating really good. Trust me, that is stable. I cannot say that my previous mount has ever been that stable, so. Now we have to attach the other two arms. So I'm fortunate enough that I do have the triple suction cups. There's also other models where you basically get the twists and they're fine too. They're going to perfectly work fine. Because the main important one is this mount right here, because this is where, you know, your most stability, or where, you know, if the other two would fail, your camera wouldn't fly off. This one, if it fails, the rest will fly off too. So this one is the most important one. If you got the money, spend it on this one to be suction. All right, I finally got it on there. This will be a little bit of trial and error here. For me, it was the easiest to just take this whole part of the clamp off. Because then you can open it. You can just take that rubber piece out, put that rubber piece over the main bar, over the carbon fiber main bar, and then just attach this piece on there again. So. Oops. I think I got somewhat of the hang of it. So I've attached those two clamps right here to give it stability, obviously. Otherwise it starts wobbling if there was just one mount. That's why you want two supporting arms. I've had it previously where I had one supporting arm, then obviously it still goes both ways. But with this, before you tighten everything down, just make sure that all your suction cups are fully tightened. But once you've done this, you can leave everything open, and as you can see, I can go up and down with this without a problem. And with this, I can adjust the angle of which I want to film with. Obviously, you can put the Insta360 X3 or whatever 360 camera you have on there and kind of see where you want this to be, but I think that's pretty cool that you can still adjust it like this. And then if you find the right angle where you're happy with, then you just start tightening these down. I'm just going to start up top here. Then also don't forget to tighten the extendable arms down. And then obviously also the bottom ball right here. And then like this. This is not going to go anywhere. If you look at this, this is the final product. So I have this all the way pumped in. Same for this one, same for this one. And then you have those two extendable arms that are holding on to the bar right here. And as you can see, there's zero movement. And the last step is obviously putting on your camera. That should hopefully be the easiest one. Just make sure that the rubber washer and the metal washers are already on there. If not, you will have to assemble those. In the instructions it says put those on, but mine were already on. So that should just ensure that your camera really stays where it's supposed to be. And just like that, seems very stable. This looks like you could go 200 miles an hour without this flying off. So there's really minimal vibration right here. All right, guys, and this is it for today's video. I'm so far very, very impressed with the quality of the GhostMount. The engineering and the thought that goes into these is amazing. I love the quality of those suction cups, because I had previous suction cups on my mount, but they really did not hold very well. And these, I feel like I could put my whole weight on them and they wouldn't come off. So really, really impressed with the quality. Shout out to the guys from the GhostMount. As I said, this is not sponsored, but I did get a discount code for you guys. So if you want to purchase one of these, you can save $50 with the code 52LTR. This specific one is called the TT. This is the telescoping triple. If you guys are interested, it is a little bit more expensive because you do get those 3 suction cups instead of, you know, the twist-on ones. The twist-on ones are going to work fine, but if you want that extra peace of mind, the best quality whatsoever, you got to go with this one. And also those extendable arms are going to make it a little bit more expensive. You can also not get them and go cheaper, but you know, I wanted to go all out. I purchased this with my own money. This is not sponsored whatsoever. I'm so excited, if you can't tell. So I'm gonna take the car for a spin. I'm gonna film another review on another day once I've, you know, actually used this for a few weeks, and I'll definitely keep you posted whether I like it, whether my camera is still intact or if it flew off. But until then, you know, guys, please like the video, comment down below if you got any questions. I'm more than happy to help you out, or if you can help me out how to mount this better, let me know in the comment section below. Super excited. Please subscribe to the channel. It would really mean the world to keep growing with you guys and to put more content out, because essentially you guys are keeping this alive. So thank you very much. Without further ado, we're gonna stop this video now because I keep on talking. And yeah,